Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this video is all about my favorite product in Japanese and Korean beauty products. So let's jump into some of my favorite because it will be really long because I have a lot to include. It's Japanese and Korean sunscreen. I just personally think they have better texture compared to American brand and they are lighter and it's more elegant to apply. So the very first one, it is this Japanese sunscreen. I will link it down below the name because this is all Japanese. I can't read it from the package. This is one of my favorite that I love using. Doesn't matter what season, and since I discovered this, I have repurchased this at least a couple times already, and this will use up pretty quick if you use it every day. Hopefully you will finish up this in 3 months. Less than 3 months. It's really small package and this also designed for sensitive skin and child to use. So it's very lightweight and I have it on my face and it also gives that really dewy finish and I really enjoy using this a lot. Next sunscreen I really enjoy is this brand BANOBAGI. So it is a Korean skincare brand. I don't heard many people talk about this. It is a repair sunscreen with SPF 50 and this is less dewy compared to this, and this one is have SPF 50 and this one have SPF 37 and I really enjoy using this to prep my skin and everything. I think all the foundation put on top of this definitely look very elegant and I also really enjoy using this just myself. I think this is very nice sunscreen. So it blended out, it looks like a gel on my face and I really enjoy how it looks on my skin. It doesn't have any white cast, both doesn't have white cast. This is chemical and physical sunscreen mix and they both not very expensive. I very enjoy it throughout the year using them. I have 2 foundations to include and this one is my all-time favorite from CoverDoor. And only you can get it in eBay. I couldn't really find it in any other website. This is really nice foundation that it look like my skin, super lightweight and also have UV protect with SPF 26 and it's very hydrating but doesn't look too dewy the finish, which I very enjoy. Myself using this kind of foundation all the time. Solid medium coverage, I really love this a lot. And the other one I really like is Korean baby cushion. If I'm in a really hurry, I think baby cushion is the way to go, or stick foundation. And this one is from Peach Sea. This is the Honey Glow cover and my shade is number 3. One thing about Japanese and Korean foundation, they don't have a lot of range. They have really small range of shade you can choose and this one is the darker shade in this collection but it matched me perfectly. I really love this Peach Sea because it looks dewy but the dewiness, it doesn't make you look too greasy. I really enjoy that beautiful glow on my skin and I'm using this today on my face and I think it looks very healthy and I would highly recommend to check this out if you love healthy glowing skin. I really don't have an eyeshadow palette to include in this video because I enjoy a lot of my indie brand and American brand. They stick with very neutral tone and they don't really have a lot of like pop of color, but if you do it will be like a small little pop, but I rather just buy an eyeshadow palette, so I don't have one in this category. But a face palette, I use it on my face and on my eyes, and this is the CLIO Contouring Pro palette. I talk about this so many times. If you follow me in my Instagram, I always use this in my Insta story and I have it on my face right now and you will see on the clip how I apply it. It is very easy and I always mix the palette shade together. I don't normally just use single shade. I always mix all of them together and I think it gives very natural contouring on my face and it's very easy to use and the powder is not too powdery or too dry. I think it's a perfect texture to use it as a contouring and this is a perfect cool tone and neutral tone mixed together, so I think it's a really nice palette. If you have similar skin tone like me, I think you would definitely enjoy this. Even though you have fair skin, I think you would like this. It is a very functional face palette that I have used throughout the year. 2 blush to talk about and I have one on my face right now and this is the Juicy and Pain blusher, and they have so many different shades. This is under $10, guys. It's very affordable, but it's such a nice formula. It looks like a watercolor on my skin, and you don't need to feel too worried to apply too much because it's like so lightweight. It's so easy to blend. This one is like so sheer, so you can build up your intensity that you like. I personally love to build up my tone color instead of straight pigmented stuff that I have to tone it down. But this one is just like the perfect texture, and I think this one have to deserve more people to know because it's so affordable and it's so nice on my skin. I have it on my cheek right now, and it's just one of the most beautiful liquid blush. I actually want to try more free CE makeup just because of this product is so good. I don't normally gravitate to free CE, and this is the Take a Layer cream and lips cheek product. It's more like a thicker cream brush, and it doesn't look dewy. It is a matte finish, so you can really work on any way you want. I normally use this on my lips and on my face, and I'm gonna swatch it. This is such a beautiful color. You can use it anytime you want, any season you want. It is a beautiful coral color, but it's not a bright coral that you can use it on your eyes, your face, your lips. It really stay on my face. I highly recommend to check it out. This one I have talked about so many times already, but I still need to include because I love it that much, and I have bought a backup of this because it's that good. And this is the Maquillage Dramatic foundation powder. This is really nice foundation powder that I discovered the last time I went to Japan. They have a display to try, so I tried it on my face. I was like, that is like the smoothest powder I ever tried, and it feels so good on my hand, so silky. And I was like, okay, automatically I bought it right away. This definitely is not a cheap powder compared to any other powder that you can get in Japanese drugstore, but this is so elegant. And every time I put it on my face, people will compliment me what I use on my face. It's literally this powder. This is so similar to the Makeup Forever Velvet Bird foundation powder, but this, it just slightly look more velvet on my face. I can use throughout the year. I still love using it. I think 2021 I will still use it. I love how eco-friendly it is, and you can pop this out, pop this whole thing out, and then just like replace the new one. But the Makeup Forever one, you can't do that, so that's why I like this idea much better. And again, I have super duper oily eyelid. I got this in Yes Style. First of all, I got this color first because it's like a burgundy brown tone color. It looks very nice, and you will see it on the clip. I apply this on my eyes. It is very beautiful. If you love brown, kind of like a broke color, you should definitely check out this brand. It's very affordable. I think it's under $10. It's very creamy, doesn't touch my eyes, and also come with a sharpener with the pens. You can always have a nice sharp edge for the pencil, and the color I have is this too. This is like really nice eyeliner. You guys should definitely check this out. Gel eyeliner I also really enjoy is the Mamonde, and this is their gel eyeliner. I have the shades number 2. They only have 2 shades. One is black, one is brown, and this is the brown shade. And I got it in a Korean makeup cosmetic store. This one is just like a slightly more matte finish. This kind of chocolate brown I can wear every single day, and I just think it is so nice on my eyes, and it is very natural. I love how natural it looks. And this one is from CLIO's Lash Super Proof Mascara, the long curling mascara. It's very nice. They have 2 kinds from the collection, but again, this one is seriously with my heart because it really make my lash hold on the curve and also separating all my lashes. Because like a lot of mascara I have used, it never do both, and this definitely done it, and it really looks so nice separating my lashes. And if you have barely have any lashes, this one will definitely make you have lashes. On to an eyeliner that I also really like, that I put it in my inner corner. I hope you guys can see it. If not, I will just like put on the clip so you guys can see this glitter liner. It's seriously so pretty. If you love glitter, definitely check this out. This is the Rom&nd. I think it's such a beautiful color. You can really throw it on your inner corner or your lower eyelash, every way that you want. It's such a nice formula that does not smudge and it stay on whole day on my eyes. The only brow product I would mention in this video, because this is just so unique. I have talked about this in my Insta story. Why I like about it is because I think this is just like a 3-in-1 product. It comes with a spoolie, and then the applicator is so easy to use. It's very precise point, so you can really get into the little gap you want and to paint it the way you want it. You really can do the way you want it on your eyebrow. I love the applicator. It's so precise. So my tail area is so thin, so I need this to really get into the way I want it. It's a liquid form, so when it dry down, it will look like a powder finish. It does not look weird. It does not look too chalky on my brow, and it also set my brow hair. It is like a mascara in this liquid, and I love also come with a spoolie, so you can really brush up your hair. And I love this formula. It never smudge on my eyes. It just lasts whole day. It really feel like a hairspray on my brow. So today I have used 2 different lip products on my lips, and I put on top of lip gloss that from ColourPop. This lip product I just think is hands down the most affordable, most elegant, most pigmented product that I have used in 2020, and this is the Powerproof Ink Matte Bird Tint. And I have 3 different shades, and it's very affordable. I think it's under $10 each one. It is very nice moussey texture, but it's also matte finish. And I put it in the middle is this brand. It is very popular brand that in Korea and Japan, and they do a lot of nice eyeshadow palette, and also really popular with their foundation. I also really want to try their foundation. I heard so much good things about it. I love it. It is a really pointy sponge, so it's easy to really get into the corner. This is on my lips today too. This is like really nice moussey texture, very similar to the Powerproof. Those are my pick from 2020. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I know I've talked a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please do, then you will not miss any future video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.